Hey, welcome to another DIY video here, guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you in 10 minutes how to take off the mower deck here. You just take the pin off, okay, push it up, just like that, okay, pop it out. See how simple that was? So you clean it off, let's say you clean it off, you spray a little bit of liquid grease. Here's a diagram where you can see how it goes. Hey, welcome to another DIY video here, guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you in 10 minutes how to take off the mower deck here. In 10 minutes, it's only going to take about 10 minutes. So first thing you want to do, guys, is you want to make sure you disconnect at least one of the batteries so that you don't actually starts on you or anything. And then next you want to do is you want to drop the deck down all the way to the bottom, so that you can get it in there, okay? So as you can see here, this one, the belt came off. So once you do that, of course, you loosen everything and you untighten the belt. But this one, the reason I'm taking the deck out, I'm gonna grind, sharpen the blades, and then at the same time put this back on. So it's real easy and simple to do, guys. Again, in 10 minutes here, and all you need, the tool you need is apply here, okay? So let's get started here, guys. And first thing you want to do is you want to locate the pins. You got 3 pins here, okay? You got a pin down there. You want to unhook that pin. And let me show you here. Get the light over here, guys. So first thing you want to do is locate the pins here. You got 1, 2, and 3 on this side you got to take off. So first thing you want to do is just take the pin off, okay? And how these work is, you gotta bend this on top of the pin and then just pull it off, okay? Next one, take that off. You wanna put that out that way. And the next one, guys, is this one right here. Again, twist it and push it up, okay? Just like that, okay? And this one has a washer. Take the washer out and pop it out, okay? The next one is same thing here. This one, you want to twist it, pop it out, just like that. And then on this one, guys, you gotta lift it up a little bit. You can even put a 2x4 or a wrench, but be careful, it's kind of heavy. Just pop it off like that. Okay, let's go on the other side. Again, it's really simple, guys. Really simple to do. And this side, oh, excuse me. Let's see here. And on this side, again, you have a pin here. You take off in the middle, okay? Pop it off. Take the washer out. Voila. Okay. Then you got one back here. Rotate over here, guys, so you can see. And this one, pop it out. The washer. And then, again, you want to lift it up. Let me zoom it out. Oops, wrong direction, guys. Lift it up a little bit with your hand. You can use whatever. Okay, and that drops down, okay? And then you got one more pin. This one's a hanger rod all the way back, okay? Pop this one out. Take the washer out. And voila, that's it, guys. And this whole thing just slides off here. Look, let me show you here. See, just like that. See how simple that was? It comes right out. It just slides right off. And when you put it back on, you do just reverse order, okay? And when you do take this out, check your pulleys here, guys. Make sure they all spin pretty good. And I clean it up. You do a shop vac, brush it off where you need to, broom it off. Then I take a little bit of lithium grease. Once you clean it off, I just sprayed it. So you clean it off, let's say you clean it off, you spray a little bit of lithium grease between the bearings and everything, so it can last a little bit. Inspect your belt, see if it's good. Any issues with it? Looks pretty good. And then here's a diagram where you can see how it goes. Pretty simple. Make sure it goes in the right direction, and then you put it back on. Okay, that's all to it, guys. Real simple, real easy. Okay, when you put it back on, hook this up to your pulley down there. Yeah, before you put it back on, guys, make sure you double check your diagram, your belt, because it's gonna come off, and then you want to make sure it's in the correct direction. Double check once or twice you need to. In this case, I'm going to check it again here. Okay, back, top, back, center, back, top. We're good. So I'm going to slide the deck back on. I'm going to do the opposite. Again, pretty simple, guys. Put this back up front, and before you tighten up, you want to put the pulley belt onto the puller or the PTO pulley, okay? The clutch.